Is your YouTube homepage full of random videos you have zero interest in? The algorithm is confused, but you can actually force a hard reset. Here's how to get a fresh start. Go to bottom right of your screen and tap on You. From here, look at the top right and tap the gear icon to open your settings. Find the option that says Manage All History and tap it. It might take a second to load the Google account page. Once it's up, look for the Delete drop-down menu right here. Tap that and select Delete All Time. Confirm by hitting Delete in the bottom right. Once that's done, go back to your home feed and refresh. Your feed is now a blank canvas ready to relearn what you actually like. Ever wonder how to download any YouTube video in minutes? Check this video now.